Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate morning routine to kickstart your day with productivity and positivity. It all starts with an early wake-up time. Getting up early gives you a head start and some precious quiet time before the day gets hectic. First things first, hydrate. A glass of water can boost your metabolism and wake up your system. Follow it up with freshening up to feel more alert and ready to go. Next, move your body. Exercise releases endorphins, improves your mood, and gets your blood flowing. Even a 15-minute stretch or a brisk walk can make a big difference. Fuel your body with a nutritious breakfast. Choose something balanced with protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you energized and focused. Now, it's time to plan your day. Take a few minutes to list your top priorities and set clear goals. This helps you stay on track and manage your time effectively. Incorporate mindfulness or meditation into your routine. This practice reduces stress, enhances concentration, and sets a calm tone for the day ahead. Dedicate some time to personal development. Whether it's reading, listening to a podcast, or learning something new, this habit keeps your mind sharp and motivated. Finally, get ready for the day. Dress in something that makes you feel confident and professional, even if you're working from home. With these steps, you're all set to tackle the day with energy and focus. Remember, consistency is key. Make this routine a habit and watch your productivity soar. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more updates. Follow us on our social media channels linked below.